So in this video, we're going to be going over every single major feature, setting, and category on the ElevenLabs platform so you can start using it like a pro. So what exactly is ElevenLabs? ElevenLabs is one of the most advanced AI voice generation platforms on the market right now. It can generate natural, realistic voices from text using deep learning. This is perfect for YouTubers, content creators, narrators, and app developers who want some realistic audio. And as we can see on the homepage, we can go ahead and use a demo for a lot of their features, which is going to be text-to-speech, speech-to-text, conversational AI, dubbing, voice cloning, and 11 Reader. So you can go ahead, type what you want, try it out, but you do want to eventually create an account, and we do have a very generous free plan. So a lot of people are using ElevenLabs on the free plan. It's going to give you 10,000 credits per month, which is going to be about 10 minutes of high quality text to speech audio. And for a lot of people that will may be enough, but for a lot of content creators, you want to step up to the starter or creator plan, which is going to give you 30,000 credits per month for just $5 a month. That's going to be about 30 minutes of high quality text to speech. But for most people, 100,000 credits per month for the creator plan is going to give you 100 minutes of high quality text to speech. And that is really what most people are going to be signing up for. If you do need more credits, you do have higher usage, they do have more plans that scale based on your needs. So if we take a look at the dashboard for ElevenLabs, once you have created an account, we do have some features under the playground and the product. We're going to be starting out with the text-to-speech. So very simple how to use it. You type in your message, whatever you want, click generate speech. But before you do that, you want to change the voice, download any voices from its extensive library. Then you can change some of the settings, the model, the speed, stability, speaker boost, but for now we're going to create a default and just generate this speech right here.
This is a test message.
And let's take a listen at what this generated.
This is a test message. This is a test message.
So it's a very realistic AI voice. Of course, if you do have longer sentences, it is going to have more natural, realistic reading, but that was just a test. I didn't want to use too much of credits. But then the next feature is, of course, going to be the voice changer. What you want to do is either upload an audio file or record your own audio, and then based on the voice that you want to convert to, it will convert that to that style of voice. So for this example, we're just going to record a quick test audio. So I've gone ahead and recorded a quick little audio. I just said this is a test audio. I clicked generate, and this is what it generated.
It is a test audio.
This is a very cool way to change your voice into some other voice. You could do a male to female voice, female to male voice. Really cool stuff. And of course, we do have a very extensive library of voices. A lot of users can clone their voice and upload it to library, and you can actually use their voice if it's publicly available. So that's voice changer. Let's take a look at sound effects. So this one is pretty cool. For example, we can just use one of these pre-made prompts, which is going to be a car whizzing by. Click generate, and let's see what it spits out. So it's done generating. It generated us 4 samples. Let's take a listen at each of the 4 different ones. So that's going to be sample 1. Sample 2, not really ideal. Sample 3 is a really good one. And we're not too sure what sample 4 is, but the best thing is you're going to get 4 different samples, so you can choose the best one that sounds most accurate to what you're prompting for the sound effect. Really cool feature by ElevenLabs to generate sound effects, perfect for YouTube content creation or even AI movies or anything you need to add some sound effects and you don't have a professional studio to make those sound effects. So next is going to be some of the products category, which is going to be Studio. Studio is how you can paste in long transcripts and generate audio from that. So you can either start from scratch, create an audiobook, or create a podcast. And you can assign different speakers to the audio. So for example, we can type in this is a test, and then we have a second line, this is a test again. For this one, we can actually change the speaker voice. For this one, we can choose Mark. So this one will be read in Rachel's voice, and this one will be read in Mark's voice. And that's really the beauty of Studio. It can create different voices. It can create some conversations between AIs, and it's best to use the Studio if you are using it for podcasts or have a long transcript that needs to be read, because you can easily highlight the text and then click generate again without having to regenerate the whole transcript. Now let's head over to dubbing, which is a really cool feature. It lets you convert any audio or video file that has audio and translate that language into a different language. So this is perfect for people who want to capture a different audience. See, on YouTube, you want to capture the Spanish audience. You can easily dub your videos and then regain that different type of audience. So you want to create a dub. Name your project, select the source language or have it detect it, which is pretty good at detecting. Select your target language, which would be Spanish, and then you want to upload your audio source, whether it's going to be an audio file, a video file, whether that file is uploaded on YouTube or some other URL. And then you want to indicate how many different people are speaking. Because if it's a podcast between like 2 or 3 people, you want to select 3 people so it identifies that there's different speakers. And then you also want to have a time range to dub. Say some of the language is already in Spanish, you don't want to include that. So have a time range to dub if you don't want the entire thing translated to that new language. And then you want to, after you're done, create the dub. And then next is going to be the conversational AI. So you can create your own AI agents. As we can see, we can go head over to the agents tab. We can have support agents, mindful coach, sales agent, video game characters. And it's a way to talk to these agents and help you set up tasks. Very sweet feature by ElevenLabs, and it's very underutilized. And as we can see, we can actually create our own support agent if we start from blank, or if we click this button right here, and then we can call with our AI agent just as we would with any other agent. Now the last feature under the products category is going to be speech to text. So this one's pretty straightforward. Upload your own audio file and it's going to transcribe your file so you can have a full transcript. And this is perfect for people who need to take a look at what they've said in a video, kind of timestamp some of the sections. Very useful way to transcribe your audio files, and this is a very accurate model as well. Now let's head over to the voices section. So you want to add, if you want to clone your own voice, add a new voice, and then you do have to be on a paid plan in order to clone your voice. So voice design is in order to create a new voice. It's not really cloning your voice. You can give some specifications and it'll create a voice based on that. Instant voice clone is going to be a way to clone your voice using only 10 seconds of audio, so very fast. And then professional voice clone is going to be the highest quality voice clone feature, and you have to upload 30 minutes of clean audio, and you're going to get a really high quality clone of your voice, and you can actually start making money if other people utilize your voice with their text to speech. So there you have it. Those are the main features of ElevenLabs, and it's the most advanced AI model. The pricing is very fair, and you can try it out completely for free because of the free plan that gives you 10,000 credits every single month. So you can try it before you buy it.